passage carefully and answer the following question. A compound C of sodium forms a white powder. It is a constituent of baking powder and is used in some antacid. When heated, it gives a compound D which is anhydrous and absorbs water to become hydrated salts. When this salt is kept in the open air, it loses water molecules in a process called efflorescence. When dissolved in water, it forms a strong base and a weak acid F. C is compound of sodium. It is constituent of baking powder. The constituent of baking powder is sodium bicarbonate and it is also white in color. It is used in antacids. So, the compound C will be sodium bicarbonate. Which of the following is compound C? Then from this only it is clear that the compound C is sodium bicarbonate. Which of the following is compound D? When this compound C is heated, it forms a compound D, that is anhydrous. We know that when sodium bicarbonate is heated, we get sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Okay. And when it absorbs the water molecules in the crystal structure, it forms sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is washing soda. So the compound D will be sodium carbonate only. When this sodium carbonate, that is D, it is dissolved in water, it forms strong base sodium hydroxide and weak acid carbonic acid. This sodium carbonate is formed by neutralization of strong base sodium hydroxide and weak acid carbonic acid. What is the nature of the solution found by dissolving D in water? D here is sodium carbonate. When this is dissolved in water, the resulting solution will be alkaline as this sodium hydroxide is the strong base. So our answer will be D. Okay. Which among the following is compound F? Compound F is weak acid, that is carbonic acid. Sodium carbonate is a basic compound because it is a salt of. How sodium carbonate is formed? It is formed by the neutralization of sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. This sodium carbonate is formed by strong base and weak acid. So the answer is it is a salt of strong base and weak acid.